Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising SO2 syllabus, let us revise today worksheet number 6, 7 and 8. So children, please take out page number 31. So as you know, this passage and related to the passage question answers and this match the things. No need to learn. Alright, let us see the grammar part. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. So you have to identify the adjective word, nothing but describing word. Alright, so first one is the homework was difficult. So what was difficult here? The homework. Right, so how the homework was? The homework was difficult. So it describes how the homework was. So difficult is an adjective. Next, the cycle is old. How is the cycle? The cycle is old. So old is an adjective. Next comes, mother said her dress was pretty. Here pretty is adjective describing word. Next, fourth one, Ali can run fast. Here fast is describing word, adjective. Fifth one, ants are tiny. How are the ants? The ants are tiny. It tells us about the quality of a noun. Right, so how the ants are? They are tiny. So tiny is an adjective. Next, the chocolate was sweet. Here sweet is adjective. A rainbow is very colorful. Colorful is adjective. Next, Rekha is a nice person. Here nice is an adjective and Rekha is a noun. Right, naming word. Now let us see the next page. Circle the adjectives and underline the nouns they describe. So Tia swims in the big pool. So what is big here? Big is an adjective and it is describing about a noun, pool. So pool is a noun. Next, father wears a purple tie. Here tie is a noun. And how is the tie? Tie is in purple. So purple is adjective. Third one, there are pink flowers in the garden. Here flowers are nothing but noun and pink is an adjective. Fourth one, Farah likes the tasty soup. Here soup is noun and tasty is adjective. Ayan is a good student. Here student is a noun and good is an adjective. Alright, next. Tom can lift the heavy boxes. Here boxes is noun and heavy is an adjective. Well, so this bit no need to learn children. Punctuation bit also and writing verb as well. So let us see the next worksheet. Worksheet number 7, the good camel. So directly we will be coming to the grammar part. Choose the correct words from the box to complete these sentences and add ed to the words. This is nothing but the past tense, right? So what do you have to do? You have to add just ed after every word. If the word is ending with e, you have to just add d. Okay? Now let us see. First one, Raja helped his parents to clean the house. Second, Sonia combed her hair and tied it with a ribbon. Third, Padma lived in Chennai for 2 years. Now she lives in Mumbai. Fourth, Kiran pulled the strings and made the puppets dance. Fifth, they folded the clothes neatly and kept them in the cupboard. Sixth, Andrew pushed the car to the garage as it had no petrol. Well, turn the page children. So this also past tense verbs you have to identify. Alright. Rishi walked quickly and crossed the road. In this way you have to write. Next, he boiled the potatoes and put the pizza in the oven. Mohan laughed loudly in class. Last night we prepared a salad for dinner. The waiter poured orange juice into the glass. They watched television for an hour and cooked for 2 hours yesterday. Well, so this vocabulary bit no need to learn, children. And this bit also no need to learn, masculine and feminine. Here we see the past tense of these words. As I said you in the previous bits that you have to just add ed to the given verb, and when the word is ending with y, you have to add ied to the word. Right? Now see here, work, worked, bury, buried. See here, the word is ending with y, so I have added here ied. This is the rule, children, you have to follow. Alright, cry, 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 so cried, cried. Close, closed. Stroke, stroked. Warn, warned. Fetch, fetched. Fry, fried. Laugh, laughed. Kick, kicked. Marry, married. Move, moved. Okay? Next, writing part is not necessary to learn. Now let us see 8th worksheet, when plants get thirsty. So, come to the grammar part, children. Page number is 50. Make new words by adding ly to these words. Change the spelling if needed. Now, whenever the word is ending with y, you have to add ily because this bit is adding ly to the words. Now let's start. Bright, brightly. Angry, angrily. Light, lightly. Weak, weakly. Quiet, quietly. Noisy, noisily. Nice, nicely. Beautiful, beautifully. Happy, happily. Kind, kindly. Okay? In the same way, adverb forms, you have to add ly to the given words. So slow, slowly. Beautiful, beautifully. Bright, brightly. Happy, happily. Soft, softly. Loud, loudly. This vocabulary bit, no need to learn, children. And B bit as well. See your spelling bit. See this B bit. This A bit is not necessary. TRUNK, trunk. STEM, stem. LEAF, leaf. SOIL, soil. STRAW, straw. TUBE, tube. BRANCH, branch. PLANT, plant. Well, so writing part no need. So till here you have to learn, children. So with this we have completed 3 worksheets, 6th, 7th and 8th. Remaining 3 worksheets I will be explaining in the next video. So till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.